Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to add learners to a course. First, go to Courses. Either click the Courses icon on the dashboard or click Products and select Courses from the left navigation panel. You will reach the course dashboard, which lists all the active courses. Select the course for which you want to enroll learners. Then from the overview, click Learners. You will reach the page where you can enroll learners. In order to add learners, click Enroll. Select the learners who you want to add to this particular course. Then click Enroll Learners. Click Add. The learners you selected have been enrolled in the course. Click a learner to see their drop-down menu. To send a message to a learner, click Send Message. To change the validity period of a learner, click Validity Period. To set the course of a learner as complete, click Set as Complete. To suspend a learner, click Suspend. To generate certificates for a learner, click Certificates. Here you can generate, send, download, preview, and reset certificates. To remove a learner from the course, click Remove from Course. To block a learner from the discussion forum, click Block from Forum. Thank you for watching this video on how to enroll learners to a course.